Hey guys, this is a video, and this is an introduction. It's a great introduction. Please just bear with me, please. This video that I'm about to show you, or the footage I'm about to show you, is literally just me and my friends messing around in this game, and well, you'll see what's happening, but and the type of shenanigans that we have been doing. But it's pretty fun. It's like a lot. I could see it on the screen right now, except on another screen. It's the first craft that we manifested is beautiful, and I feel like what we did was pretty funny. Sometimes I'll find a way to minimize it and make it look good. Yada yada yada. Anyways, let me just to represent myself. I will do something very quickly, as simply as that. Then I will just sit in it and depart. Right.
All right, John, get in a chair. Sir. Sir.
Sir, you need to get down.
Sir.
Sir, get down. Sir,
Get down.
get down, sir.
Get down! That doesn't look like a chair.
Look at this massive, wonderful creation we have here.
All right, let's set sail.
What the? Who do you think you are, bro?
Set sail.
You're not the captain. Okay.
What? What? Bro!
Oh my gosh.
That's
Okay.
fine. That's like the first thing that's gonna get hit.
Dude, what's all the stuff that's drifting off?
Oh, that's probably misplaced stuff. We're in a giant box. What do you expect?
Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Who put that thing there? Oh wait, that was me.
Bruh.
That thing just needs to get destroyed. Turn off the shield.
Why would I do that? It's already broken.
No, just keep it off so then that thing can get hit. No, turn it off so we can save it for later.
Yes, dearest.
And then we could we could destroy this freaking thing like tilting a boat.
This could have gone for some harpoons.
We have cannons. That's fine.
Harpoons are cool though.
We just completely went over that log.
Indeed we did. There's all the lanterns.
Yes, hit it. One more.
Yeah.
Okay, where's the
Now we're flat.
Oh my.
Yeah, I'm lagging.
Yeah, this leg is great.
Oh, whoa.
It's probably the balloons.
I don't know about that.
This is our voyage. We don't stop.
Turn sight, please. This is our slow voyage. A little bit better if we added rockets. I feel.
Oh yeah.
I should have
Rockets are always
tried
a fun.
as soon as possible. Oh my.
Oh, we're bouncing. It's because science.
Oh my. It's just zoomed in a bunch of flag.
I hope we do not flip over. Okay.
We may not because of the whole.
It doesn't matter if we flip
mast.
over or not. Yeah,
The what?
The mast.
it's a giant cube. We're gonna be on the same side anyways.
Okay.
This is not cool.
This is fantastic. I don't know what you're talking about.
Fantastic.
Th-
I understand.
Boing. Boing.
Come on, this is leave already.
Just
It's
go.
right there.
Mushrooms.
We're backwards now.
How delightful. John's first.
No.
His chair's gonna break, and then he's.
He's gonna be fed to the crocodiles.
No, my lanterns.
Oh yeah.
We won't be bright anymore. No.
You're canceled.
Okay.
Life's ruined,
Your first video.
No, I don't care. I like his voice.
Okay.
This is not going good.
Yeah, we're fine.
Oh, goodness.
We'll just also the exterior is fine.
Yeah. As long as Johnny falls off, we're good.
Okay.
Alright, now's our chance. Go! Well, that didn't last long. Okay. We're
What's
gonna
the,
be here for a while.
what's the pink that's like fuming?
I don't know. We don't have a force field anymore.
We don't.
There's a green chest.
Okay, we're done.
Who's we?
Oh my bad, you. Because you're like smelly.
Oh,
Okay.
oh my gosh. And that just set us back 10 minutes.
Why?
Crocodiles. Oh.
Oh my.
Oh,
oh.
okay.
Oh.
Oh, he's
And
gone.
I'm still alive.
Ah! I'm dead. What the heck?
Oh,
I think
I'm
you
dead.
stood a chance. What the frick?
Nope, I'm still alive. Haha.
Uh-oh.
Are you
It's like
winning, son?
it's not a complete cube anymore. It's like the
No.
cube part is detached from the cube. Uh-oh. Help me.
Oh my god, Bruce.
Here, wait. I know how we can catch him. I got this.
Dude, the whole entire cube part is detached. I wish I was in one of those seats, and now I'm done for.
Yourself a seat. We gotta go catch him.
Holy. I don't know how we're gonna.
Wait, balloons. Balloons. That's how we'll catch him.
Yeah, with those.
Struggling
Thank you,
here a
guys.
lot. And I just died.
Oh.
I was on the final part. Either way, I wouldn't have lived because I would have had to.
What is
fall
what is
down.
going on here? What is going? Okay. You know what? That's
Nice
not
stuff
very
here.
cool.
Why does he have a tank?
Now he's just here. Get a chair, Johnny. We got a mission.
What, to save me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we should.
Wait, let me place my balloon.
I need a lever.
Get the balloons.
Where's my place cannons so we can shoot at it.
Nah, I think they're shooting at us more than anything.
This is warfare. I don't know what you're on about. Okay,
Dang
who
it.
shot that?
I did see me.
Bro.
Okay.
Oh my. Okay.
My
Hey,
goodness.
how's it like to be in a tank? Is it actually hold on, can I see in there? There's pretty much nothing.
Can you drive it, please? Name.
I can't drive.
Okay.
Something that's so crazy.
I can do this.
Oh well, we're pushing him against the wall.
It's okay. There we go.
Is it?
Let me do it again.
Let us put all the balloons up first, dude.
Oh my god.
This is
Who
great.
just said who wants the
This is amazing.
PvP? How are you gonna PvP? How we're not flying yet.
Because of you.
No. Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
You're weighing us down.
Oh my god, he actually was.
Oh, wait. He's just.
What is he sitting on, actually, though?
That's why. That's why I went back here.
What are you standing on?
I would have been gone.
Just wait until one of those rockets break, then you'll be gone. Yeah. Yeah.
No way, you probably come back to us before anything happens.
Yeah. Just build yourself a little thingy
If I
wingy.
jump, I feel like you're gonna go so far, so fast. It's just. I might have to
Oh
jump.
boy.
I might have to jump. Oh, okay. Can
Are we-
this game re-establish its position or our position?
Why are we frozen?
I'd love to know that too. Oh, you actually jumped. That's a bold move. I'll jump too. Save me.
I don't know what you want me to do.
Um,
Um?
uh,
Oh, it's the balloons. We're floating now. No! No! No!
wait, let's just pop. Let's just get some fuel.
Are you dead, Barbara?
No.
No. I don't like how I'm on this balloon.
Get up!
Oh,
Get up!
I lost the leg. No, because yeah, get all the balloons down.
I'm still alive.
Hey!
Launch,
Hey,
launch,
what's
launch, launch, launch. Quickly launch.
What's up?
Can you launch? I can't.
I can't.
Oh, well.
Oh,
Dude,
well.
just launch.
No,
We
we can't
can't.
launch.
Hey, why is it purple? Does that mean we can use it again?
I
No.
don't know.
It
I
doesn't.
didn't say that already.
Why can't you guys launch?
Because it's not an option. Where are we? Bowling.
Oh,
Oh.
wow. I think we're gonna hit with that.
Oh, we're right on track to hit this one, aren't we? Oh,
That's fine. I'm still on. I can make
be
I
nice.
can make it.
Must be nice.
I can make
I
it.
believe
can
in you.
make it.
Have
This
fun.
this is for the content. For the content. I want a
Here.
black corner. How's this small
Huh?
craft made it this far? I'm in a minefield.
You're in a minefield. Let's go get him.
Or I think the jungle. This definitely looks very similar to a
Vietnam.
I'm done for.
Wait, I can't.
I'm done.
Hi,
for.
Google. Are you still alive, Barbara?
Barely.
Barely.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die this one.
Wait.
I'm in retro. Ow. I'm playing Tetris at this rate. Oh my god, look. Save me.
Saving him. Let him die.
It's fine. New craft. Oh god.
I just gave him my craft. You're welcome.
Thank you, I'm still gonna die. Yep, okay. Yeah, it was gonna end right there anyways.
I gave him
Yeah,
one more
80
thing.
gold. Okay. Oh, off you go. Are you ready?
Let go.
No, you stole my seed.
I was just gonna stand on here, but they should see it, I guess. Bye. This is gonna end in 20
Okay.
seconds anyways.
We got this.
What?
How'd you die?
I don't know. I just like.
I don't know how you died, but it made me a lot faster. So, okay, you know, I said this was going great. This isn't going
Quickly on
great.
it and place blue one.
What is this place? I'm at like the. Oh,
And
I went boom boom. I'm still alive, but not for long. Johnny, save me! Oh, that's gonna blow up, isn't it?
Oh my goodness, it's because I forgot to remove the bottom block. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on with you, but I forgot to remove the bottom block.
I'm dead already. There's no way.
Please. I'm standing on 3 blocks.
He's like,
Oh, steak fork. Oh, I'm down to 2.
I'm magically.
Oh, I'm down to
going
1.
This makes sense.
Help. Help.
he's in the
Help me.
he's in pancakes.
Help me. John. Save me. Shut dive down. Can't. Yes!
No!
Oh, you died and I'm still. Help, please. Help.
Dude.
Oh.
I love the scenery. Maybe I should turn up my graphics. But I'm just so high up.
Alright, we got
because of-
competition. Black team is scary.
What?
Huh?
I got an action lantern.
Alright, I'm gonna buy a legendary chest. See what I get. Nothing new. Really? That's all I got? A legendary chest, I got nothing good. How about epic? I feel like I get better stuff from that for some reason.
Oh, this is amazing. I'm winning.
See, I got a cannon from that. That was good.
Are you still on
What are
my
you
phone?
doing? What?
Ouch.
Bro, are you still on my flying machine?
I was.
Surely you can add a cannon
I
to
kind
it
of
in a
touched the
right?
chest at the end and died. But it's fine.
You want one?
Yeah.
And I'll try to build it correct this time.
Dude.
Alright, get on. And glue yourself.
I'm not doing anything.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, me neither. I could.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you.
This is great.
This is betrayal.
Yeah.
This is what get the views.
You know what? I'm gonna ride to safety on a lantern.
Yeah, good luck with that one.
Oh man, wait, no, calm down, jeez, no.
And then we're gonna like catch up with him and kill him.
Oh, yeah. Build me mine, because you're fast. Oh, wait, no, you don't have enough blocks. Never mind. I have to build mine.
I have enough blocks for 2.
Do you? I'll just
Yeah.
do mine. I have 26 of them.
Just build it like this. You gotta place a block on the bottom floor.
Why would I
Or-
do that?
I mean, I guess, sure.
So about catching up.
He's dead.
Get there. Yeah,
What?
just start.
You died or you?
Can't. Yeah, click. You can't see my position.
Hurry up!
Huh?
Yeah, click. You can't see my position.
Hurry up, Jen.
He's at the end. Hurry up. We gotta get to him.
How are you so much faster? Holy smokes. Oh boy. Waterfall. Please, save me.
I'm floating down.
I would say floating, but you're more just crashing. And there he is. Yay! We're better than Pro, bro. Oh. Wait, why'd you... I didn't get to go. What the heck? Oh, that was your chest.
You think you're the king? I'm the king.
Heck.
Think you're the king?
I got
I'm
a
the
better
king.
idea. Give me my metal
I'm
block.
the king. I'm the king.
What the heck? Okay.
You think you're the king?
Stop.
I'm the king.
How are you in control of it? What does it latch on to? That's it. You're over.
He owns you.
Ah. You think you're the king? Okay, wait. Give me a second. I need to put
You have 5
seat
seconds
down.
until I press launch.
Wait.
4,
If you
1,
wait, it just gets
3,
brighter and brighter.
2,
Wait, no, wait. I'm outside the box. I'm outside the
5,
box.
6,
Ah!
11, 19, 3, 2,
Wait.
2 and a
Just
half,
wait.
2 and a quarter,
Wait.
2 and an eighth, 2 and a 16,
I'm
2
practically
and a
doing it
30
now. It's
second, 2
not even mine.
and a
I'm
64,
like,
3, 2, 1.
no, I don't got a seat. It's glowing. It's a masterpiece.
Oh my gosh!
I don't think you're gonna get best.
I don't think
spawn.
I'm harpooned to it anymore.
No, I'm harpooned to the ground somehow.
And are you, Berber?
I'm hovering above this man's fantastic. Dude,
Dude, what's happening?
Harpoon to
No,
harpoon to his flying machine.
I can't-
And then, like,
that's still gonna wave me.
That's an
upstairs.
idea. But I got it. I gotta get flipped upside down somehow.
I just realized if my box flips over, I'm absolutely cooked.
Oh,
because
wait. Now I do this.
Are you sure? Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Wait,
Think I can help you?
I can't flip over. Can I harpoon you? Where are you at? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna. Can I harpoon you?
Hi.
Get to my side. Go like
Hey,
behind, other side. Other side.
just let me try it myself.
I can't see you. I missed.
Okay. What is this lag?
Lean.
I'm just gonna check on someone real quick. You'll be fine.
Who would have thought?
Who would have thought an upside down rocket ship
I'm
would have
landing.
died in water?
I'm landing. I made landing. I'm gonna. Hey, you really
Wait, my
just
box
Alright.
is slowly flipping over to the strong side. Wait.
No,
Can I build midway?
no word. Kind of on the ZBrush.
Oh, I can't build. Yeah, where stuff is exploding.
I
The
think I might
cards.
need to go in the air for this one.
Why am I exposed?
Come on. Oh wow! Well, look at that.
I have a big puncture in my. Uh-oh. That doesn't look cool.
No, it's very cool. You're just driving. You did okay.
Oh my goodness. I would have been inside a washing machine. Ketchup or mustard?
This isn't.
Mustard.
Uh oh.
Oh, why it's exposed?
Uh oh.
My lanterns are getting less lanterny.
Okay, then.
You died, imagine. Like, the box of creation could never. My box of creation, no one you see it. Baby, are you okay?
Just hurry up and put your thing up.
The glue. Alright, start it. Box of creation! Where are you? Where are you, Box? I miss you. Yikes! Let's check it out. Where's it at?
It's at the end.
It is?
Yeah.
Box of creation, I love you. You see, if I would have you guys would have gave me a little bit more time to reinforce it a little bit more, and if the game wouldn't have screwed me over and like kept attacking one side. No, it's gone. No, box of creation.
Get out of here. Ooh.
Hello, I'm your prize.
Nope. No. Why do I touch the chest and I die? This makes so much sense.